contestant number one. What?
You gotta remember his name.
I don't remember his name. What's your name?
My name is Bob Wallace. I'm 45 years old, and I am a retired plumber, and I have turned into a home chef.
All right, Bob Ross, I'm 45 years old. I'm a retired plumber, and I've turned into a home chef. What's the dish you prepared for us tonight?
Well, I used the main ingredient, that was crab, because I had some back in Vietnam. And as a second ingredient, I used celery.
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream celery.
All right, what do you call that?
I call Bob's magical whiskers.
All right, well, let's give it a try.
All right, let me get you a spoon. Careful now, it's hot.
All right.
There you go. Put that down your gullet. Let's slide down nice and easy like a lady.
Oh, there's hot. Oh.
Next contestant. Try their food.
I'll get back to you. All right. Now it's, what was your name again?
Bob or Lou?
Bob Lou.
Bob Lou.
Yes.
Bob Lou. All right.
Don't feel bad. Sometimes even myself I forget.
All right, Bob Lou. What's your dish?
My dish is clams. My clams are so good. They make it so soft like a noodle. It is a special recipe. Even my grandma and my grandfather, they used to do it, and they still do it. And these ingredients are so good that they can keep you alive for many, many years. But like I said,
All you had to
special
use was
ingredients.
crab or clams or...
Clams. My clams are, like I said, they are so soft. They're like noodles. I can make it that way.
What do you call your recipe?
So what do you call this?
I call this special Lou clam chowder.
Oh, my mouth is watering already. All right, and I take it that's heavy cream.
Oh, yes, it is. It's heavier
right.
than the normal heavy cream. Because I put a special ingredients here.
I'm just gonna borrow this spoon over here. Thank you. All right, let's give this a shot.
Wait. This one is going to help. There you go. Now you can take it.
All
Taste
right.
it.
All right. What was that?
That was my grandma used to make it when I was a little boy. And never told me, but she gave me a big bottle of that, and it's good. She put in everything all the time, and it tastes good.
All right. Well, we'll give it a shot.
Yeah, try it. Oh, I already see that it's delicious, as usual.
But we still got one more contestant over here.
Oh, you dropped your spoon.
Well, I borrowed it from you, so here you go.
Thank you.
All right.
God bless you.
I have a spoon for you, don't worry.
All right. All right. So what's this dish? Please tell me briefly.
Such a great red crab here with the heavy cream and lemon and some special ingredient. It's the special ingredient. You have to try it. You're gonna love it.
Okay. That's fine. Just I'll take your word for it. All right. Let's what?
Just try it.
Okay. All right.
Try it.
I'm trying.
Try it.
Okay, please stop talking.
Oh my God.
It's very good. It's very good. Okay. So you don't have to say anything. No. We'll find out.
Please! We'll find out who wins when we come back, but first we're going back to the Home Fix-Up Show.